Good morning to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. Welcome to your science class. I'm your science expert Reena Malhotra. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter number 2 friction from your science book Wow Science. So let's take a quick recap of the topic which I have explained you in previous video. In previous video, I have explained you type of frictions. There are three type of frictions: static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. So let's revise. Static friction, no relative motion between two surfaces in contact. Sliding friction, one surface slide on another surface. Rolling friction, one surface roll on other surface. I have also explained you fluid friction, force of friction exerted by air, water and other fluid. That is called fluid friction. So let's see the topic which I will explain you in this video. First, streamline shape. Second, direction of motion of the skydiving related to force. Third, advantages of friction through day-to-day activities. So let's start with the streamline shape, as it is a special shape which help to reduce fluid friction or drag. You can see here the picture of aeroplane, as aeroplane have a streamlined body. As according to streamline shape, the shape of the aeroplane is narrow in the on the corners and broader from the center. This is a special shape which is called streamline shape, which help to reduce fluid friction or drag. In this way, bird also have a streamlined body which help it to fly easily in the air. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज साइंस टॉक. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक दिया है, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ स्काई ड्राइवर. स्काई ड्राइवर से आप लोग सब क्लियर हो गए होंगे, द पर्सन इन द स्काई. तो नेचुरली पर्सन स्काई पे है तो उसको उसके ऊपर ड्रैग अप्लाई हो रहा है. ड्रैग इज व्हाट? एयर फ्रिक्शन. सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या होती है? जब ड्रैग इज लेस देन वेट ऑफ द पर्सन, तो तब वो पर्सन बहुत स्पीडली नीचे आ रहा होता है क्योंकि उसकी स्पीड इंक्रीज होती है. और सेकेंड कंडीशन में क्या होता है कि ड्रैग इज इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द पर्सन. जब ड्रैग और उसका वेट ऑफ द पर्सन इक्वल है तो रिजल्टेंट फोर्स क्या हुआ? बैलेंस हो गया. तो उसकी स्पीड क्या हो जाती है? वो स्टेडी स्पीड हो जाती है, जिसको हम टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी कहते हैं, जिससे कि वो एक मीडियम स्पीड से नीचे आता है. और थर्ड कंडीशन में जैसे ही वो अपना पैराशूट ओपन करता है, पैराशूट जो है ओपन होते ही ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एरिया एयर का कवर करता है, जिससे कि ड्रैग इंक्रीज हो जाता है वेट ऑफ पर्सन से. जैसे ही ड्रैग वेट ऑफ पर्सन से इंक्रीज होता है, उस पर्सन की जो स्पीड है वो स्लो हो जाती है. सो इन दिस वे here is mentioned the relation between drag and the motion of the skydiver. I hope the concept are clear to you. Now come to the next topic. Here it is given, think science. In think science, one question is given to you. Why do aquatic animals such as fish, shark have a streamlined body? As I have already told you that streamlined body help to reduce friction, fluid friction. So streamlined body of the organism help them to move properly in the water and reduce water resistance. Okay. Now come to next page, page number 30. Here the topics are advantages and disadvantages of friction. Students, you know friction is very important for our life, as without frictional force we would not able to hold anything. If no friction is there, then object will be slip or slide away from each other. So let's discuss some activities which shows the importance of friction in our daily life. Okay. See this picture, as I am able to write on the paper with the help of friction only. We are able to walk because of friction between the sole of shoes and the ground, which prevent us from slipping when we walk. Next, I will show the example of the friction between the bicycle brakes and the wheel. Allow the moving bicycle to slow down or stop when the brakes are applied. That in this way also friction is important. Next is a knot remain in its place because of friction only. Friction of the rope which we tie it. You know, for the burning of mastic, friction is important. How? friction between matchstick and matchbox causes matchstick to light up. So these are the activities which we can perform through friction. So friction is important. So next topic is assess. Here some questions are given to you. So let's discuss the answer of some questions. Students, I have written the answer of all the question of SS for you, and you will get the PDF of this in your website. As question number 1, 2 and 3 I have already explained you in a previous explanation. Question number 4 I want to explain you what would happen if the drag on the vehicle becomes 0. If the drag becomes 0, drag is what? Air friction. अगर वो 0 होगा, then driver will lose all the control on the vehicle including steering and brake, and it will keep moving mostly in the straight line till it goes and hits something. Students, I have written some in between questions for you, and you will get the PDF of this also on your website. But I suggest you to make your own in between questions more while reading the chapter. That can increase your thinking skill, and that can be help you to understand the chapter more deeply. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Thank you.